Southern Gardening is back at the MSU Branch Experiment Station in Poplarville, Mississippi, admiring a beautiful variety of Colocasia, commonly known as elephant ear. Let's take a closer look at this plant. The Royal Hawaiian Waikiki Colocasia is a captivating ornamental plant, renowned for its lush, tropical allure. Its large, heart-shaped leaves are a true showstopper, displaying an extraordinary variegation of colors that mesmerizes onlookers. The foliage boasts a rich tapestry of deep emerald green, creamy ivory, and striking burgundy, with each hue blending seamlessly yet standing out distinctly. The leaves are adorned with intricate, colorful patterns and bold splotches, giving each one a unique and enchanting appearance. The texture of the leaves is equally fascinating, with a smooth, glossy surface that catches and reflects sunlight, enhancing the vibrant colors. As the plant matures, its robust stems provide a sturdy foundation, allowing the foliage to unfurl and expand, creating a dramatic, umbrella-like canopy. This elephant ear thrives in warm, humid environments, making it an ideal choice for adding a touch of exotic splendor to gardens, patios, and indoor spaces. Whether placed in a garden, a decorative container, or an indoor planter, the Waikiki Colocasia brings a sense of tropical paradise to any setting. I'm Eddie Smith, and I will see you next time on Southern Gardening.